should be C2 through to the bottom, not C21. Okay. Goal seek is a special function. What it is, the table that you have, like a salesperson one sells the product. The product's base price is 21,259, and a selling price is this much, 23,500. So they make money. See, likely C7 minus B7, which is a profit, and then the commission for the salesperson one is likely total selling price C7 and multiply by the B1 8%, meaning the total sales price, likely selling price in here, and then based upon the commission rate, which is a kind of the absolute address right there, which is not variable, it's not changed, then the count of the commission is $1,880, and then the earnings will be sum of the profit and commission, and that's the kind of data interpretation. Now you may take a look at it like this. Then question is, how much does the commission rate need to be for the total earnings to increase from the current 11,439 to 15,000? So what is the kind of a rate, commission rate should be, that should be to achieve the earnings, like a for the three sales persons total earnings to be $15,000. So what you can do actually any figure, the location will be okay, and you go to formula, and then go to the let me see, go to the tab data, and then go to the data tools and choose what if analysis right there, and then choose goal seek. As you learn through, it's a little bit difficult for you to locate the place of the function. So we need a goal seek function, which is in data tab, and click on data tools group, what if analysis, and then little arrow, like a down spot arrow, and then choose goal seek. This goal seek has three arguments. The set cell means we want to set this one F10, automatically they put it like a absolute address, and that should be $15,000, like that. And then we wanna change the cell commission rate B1. So in this case, click on and B1, which is okay. And now why don't you watch on when we change the total earnings from 11,439 to 15,000, then obviously the commission rate should be 13.52, and then automatically based upon the scenario these values are changed. So that's the way that we need to do. The filter one tab, the sheet, using filter function, display rows where the name is equal to Dominic's. In any cases, when you look at the data, then a little bit kind of scrutinize what kinds of data, check numbers, date, name, category, etc. And these are the money currency field amount, and just go down, has about 202 rows, and just to browse it. When you try to filter the data, you can go to the data tab, and click on filter. Actually, you can make the whole data into the range of the data into the table, uh, which you go to insert and table like that. You can do that. But in data function area, you can just click it, see over there like a toggling filter, and then you see the down arrow right there. Once you do see the down arrow on each column, then go to the name column and then click on the down arrow and text fields, and the question is the where the name is equal to, so you can choose the equals, and then you can basically type it Dominic's right there, Dominic, and okay, so you can just filter the data for the selection of the Dominic's in the name category. Filter 2 is a pretty much same deal, except it contains, the name contains the word, so pretty much the same deal. Click on filter and go to the name and text filters, and this time you choose the contains and then put American. So any word containing the word American, then it will be selected. Okay. And next one is the advanced filter one. It's a special one, and as you see, we have criteria range and actual data with a head, check number, date, name, pretty much the same kind of data. And also we designate a answer field, the result field, with the header information. So keep in mind, this is the row 211 is the row head, and the head on here is row 6, and the range, criteria range will be row 2. In this case, using advanced filter, copy the rows that meet the below criteria, this criteria, and place the results under the extract head row to 11. And there's a rule, more syntax, that when you specify the criteria, you need to find the right, like a column, and also you put it in the criteria argument, in this case the name field category Dominic's, and then amount should be less than 50. But the key point in here is, once you have condition A and B, then A and B must be lined up in same line. That means and. So in this case, you can type it Dominic, and as I illustrated, when you type it and hit enter, don't just move around, and then the amount field less than 50 like this. Okay, so we set up the criteria for the selection of the data range. Then we choose the advanced in data function tab, and choose the advanced, and then we wanna list of the data range right there from P6 including the head to likely G208, and then the criteria range will be, in this case, why don't you wipe out and choose something like that. Okay, something like that, and that's the criteria range. Keep in mind, we have a condition like a name of Dominic, and so the Dominic's in here should be aligned with the amount condition less than 50 in same line. and we want to copy the results into the designated area, like a row 211, and which is okay. And I believe you expect only 2 in this case. So the key point is we need to set up the criteria on